Hello, it's David here again. Okay, today this video is going to be about it is a bit of a big topic, and it's going to be about websites. As you may or may not already know, websites are becoming such a common thing for people to have nowadays, whether that's for business, personal use, whatever the reason may be. More and more people are turning to the internet and looking about having their own presence on the internet. Trouble is, there's so many ways in which you can get a website, and there's a lot of expensive ways as well, and right and wrong ways of doing it. Me personally, if I want a website, I'll either use the business that I already work with, which is actually how I make my money. Basically, how I live is I work online. That's one of the things that I use, and the other one I use is also Dreamweaver, but Dreamweaver is for the more advanced user. If you are looking to own a website, or you're wanting to go about a website, and you're looking at different packages and domain names, and it's quite a big area really to look into, then this video it may be of interest to you, because it's a very user-friendly way of being able to remove a lot of the cost away. Having a website can be quite expensive unless you're really good at building websites. Like I say, I personally use Dreamweaver and I'm quite competent at doing that. So for someone like me, that's pretty easy. But there's a lot of people that just don't know how to go about it, and they will literally spend hundreds, thousands of dollars getting somebody to design a website for them. What if you could make it yourself, and get your domain hosting and your domain name all under one umbrella, with one application? And that's what I'm going to talk about basically, is how you can do that, and build the website yourself and be able to manage it yourself and change it when you want, and add to it or remove from it, and all the little clever little things that you can do with websites. And it's a really user friendly application, so I just kind of wanted to cover on that. The company's called GDI. Okay, you may or may not have heard of them. And basically, they are a web hosting company, but they give you some fantastic tools to be able to design your own websites, build your own websites, and they're very. It's kind of orientated around people that don't have a lot of experience with this, so it's very user friendly, which is good, cost effective. To actually have your own domain name with GDI, web hosting, and the tool to build your website, plus 10 email addresses, personal email addresses, is $10 a month. Now that's phenomenal, that's fantastic, and I can't rant and rave about this product enough. But people don't like to be sold to, so please don't take this the wrong way. I'm not trying to sell you on this idea. It's just an option. If you are looking to build your own website, and you don't know which way to turn, then this is a very user-friendly way of doing that. So I'm just going to briefly go into it. This is the GDI homepage. I'm just going to go into the option for the website, and I think what's good as well is, obviously for $10 a month you get all that package of everything that you would possibly need for a website. But again, you can build the website yourself. But also it gives you, if I just bring this up now, it's just loading up now, it gives you a nice little application to actually build it and choose your own screens, or your own themes, etc. So if I've just logged in here now into my own back office account. So I haven't got a website here, so if I was to create one, I click on create page, loads up the little wizard program. It's pretty cool. There we go. And there we go. We've got all the kind of templates that you would want to use for a website. And I say it's dead user friendly. So if I was to go next on the business one, you see it's loading all these up now. And this little arrow here, I would just scroll across and have a look at what type of template I would like to use. So let's say I didn't want to use one for business. I'll just go back, scroll across to check the different designs. It confirms up here what they are. So that's nature. We've got hobbies. Go on, we'll go with hobbies. So hobbies is the one up front now. So if I just click next, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 5 there, I think, on hobbies. Okay. There we go. Fashion website. Photography. We'll go with that one. Okay. So if I were to choose next on that one, load that template up. Taking its time. Because I think that's the thing. When you want to build a website, it is quite a costly thing. But if you've got a tool that's really user friendly to use, that anybody could use, and it's really great fun as well to being able to build your own website, then this is the application to use. It's fantastic and it's really, really competitive. And I think what's really good as well, you get a free trial with it as well. So if you obviously think, yeah, no, I won't mind. I like what David's saying. That looks really, really nifty tool, and I want to have a go at building my own website, but I don't want to pay for it because I don't know if it's for me, then you can trial it out. You get it for 7 days anyway. Try out the product, see what you think. If it's for you, great. If it's not, you just cancel. It's as simple as that. But at least you get 7 days to actually try it out before you actually part over any money and see if it's for you. But I assure you, will love it. It's really, really user-friendly, really, really good to work with, and very easy to work with. I mean, I know obviously I've got a lot of experience with Dreamweaver and things like that, but this is by far, anybody could use this program. It's really, really catered for the person that's not that shall we say PC savvy. Okay, so as you can you see the highlighted area there? That's asking me to choose my domain, so that would be, obviously that is actually my own domain anyway, globalsolutions.ws. So I'd put in, that would be like my home page. So we'll just type home, click next, and then it goes to the page name. See how it just kind of moves down to get you set up for your home page or the page that you're trying to set up. Very, very easy. Okay, I'm not going to go too much into it now. The next video I'm actually going to go into more detail of how to actually create a web page and how easy that is. I just wanted to kind of throw it out there really to everybody that if you are looking on a website, looking to build your own website, or maybe never been interested in it in the past, but you've come across this video and think, wow, no, that actually looks pretty cool, I wouldn't mind trying that out, then it is worth trying it out. As I say, you get it for 7 days anyway, so it's worth testing and see if it's for you and if it's something you'd like to work with, and you can update it obviously all the time. If you want to check it out further, then there is a link to the right which explains it a lot more in detail. And as I say, I actually work with GDI on a business point of view as well. That's my primary business that I work with for making money as well. So there's a lot of advantages with GDI. I don't want to kind of go into that, and I don't want to steer away from what I'm trying to cover today, which is about creating a website for yourself. So check it out. What I'll do is, if you keep your eye out, there should be another video on actually going into more detail of actually building a homepage. Okay, thanks very much and take care. Bye bye.